ready to send money with confidence and ease. Let's get your Moneygram account set up in no time. You have 2 convenient ways to register online through the Moneygram website or app, or in person at a local Moneygram agent location. For online registration, head over to the Moneygram website or download their mobile app and look for the Sign Up or Create Account option. Click on that to begin. You'll need to provide some basic personal information. This typically includes your full name, a valid email address that you can access, and you'll create a secure password for your account. Next, you'll usually be asked to verify your phone number. You'll receive a text message with a verification code, which you'll then enter to confirm ownership of the number. The registration process will also require your residential address. Make sure to enter this information accurately, as it's important for security and service delivery. Depending on your location and the services you intend to use, Moneygram may also require identity verification. This could involve uploading a copy of a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license through the app or website, or presenting it at an agent location. If you're registering in person at an agent location, the agent will guide you through the same process. They'll ask for your details, assist with any required documents, and help you complete the setup right there. Once your registration is complete and verified, congratulations! You're now ready to start using Moneygram's services. You can now easily send money to friends and family worldwide, track your transfers, and manage your recipient list, all from your new Moneygram account.